Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to send from Pandabuy to PayPal. Let's begin. Now, I need you to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in PayPal, just click on the sign up option. And from here, you can choose from personal to business. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, sending funds from Pandabuy to PayPal might be necessary for a lot of reasons because number one, if you have received payments or funds in your Pandabuy account from international sources, you may want to transfer those funds to your PayPal account for easier access and use in international transactions. In my case, I believe PayPal offers a wide range of payment options and is accepted by numerous online merchants and service providers. That means transferring funds from Pandabuy to PayPal gives me more flexibility on how I can use those funds for purchases or payments. Now, once you are logged into your account, I need you to go to the upper right corner and click on Wallet. Now, once you do that, you will be directed to the balance. For example, you have like $1,000 right here on your balance. All you have to do, if you have an option here for the refund, just click on it and just transfer it to your PayPal account, because I assume by this time you already integrated your PayPal account. Now, if you haven't done so, what we need to do in this case is click on the top up option right here, and then you need to enter the amount. Say for example it's 20, like 50, 100 or 1,000, it doesn't matter, and click on confirm. Now from here, obviously these are the available payment options for you, and we need to keep the PayPal as one of the most used methods that we can do. And from here, all you have to do is just confirm payment, and once you've done that, you would be able to see the reflected amount here on your balance, and then from there, click on the refund option, and then just follow the on-screen instructions. After that, and once you've logged into your PayPal account, you should receive a notification there that the transfer has been made from your Pandabuy to your PayPal account. All right. Now, in an event that you are having problems sending or transferring your balance to Pandabuy to PayPal, or say like the PayPal has already been, I just need you to go at the very bottom wherein just call the PayPal support center, and remember that you need an OTP or a one-time passcode when prompted. All right, and these are the available times that you can contact the PayPal. For example, that the Pandabuy already has sent you the balance or the money, but it's not reflecting on your PayPal account. So you might want to call them, or you can simply click this option right here for the PayPal AI assistant. And if you had been able to get a hold of a customer agent, just tell them you're having problems from Pandabuy to PayPal. Alternatively, you can also go to the Pandabuy customer support. They are online 24/7, and these are the channels that you can contact them. All right, you can also follow the social media or join the Discord if you have any problems sending from Pandabuy to your PayPal account. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.